is the elevator at IKEA that leads up into the showroom in the Swedish restaurant in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. That fan's annoying. And by the way, guys, this elevator was definitely modernized. Look at these fixtures. These remind me of the one at Boscov's in the Mill Creek Mall in Erie, Pennsylvania. The chime doesn't work. Here's your cab view. I think the cabs were probably redone. These used to be Dover Impulse from what I found on YouTube. Use your Dover nameplate logo. The bell does not ring.